Britain is much better at manufacturing than most people think.
Mm.
We do some incredible stuff. We do a really poor job of actually advertising manufacturing and engineering as a career.
Mm.
The issue that we're going to have going forward is we already know we have nothing like enough skilled people to do what we want to do. And whether that's electricians, plumbers, just installing insulation in homes, putting in heat pumps, or sitting, designing these products and then manufacturing them. We need to attract more people into engineering. And we have a real issue that, and there were some presentations last night from some of the companies. They are doing amazing things. And you just look at that and think, I'd really like to work for them.
Mm.
And then you look at the media, and most of what's being shown is still sort of looking at the dark satanic mill side of it, of, oh, would you want to work in a dirty factory?
Mm.
And I remember when I was at college, I had a professor who was saying, look, why don't you consider staying on doing a PhD? And I said, well, I want to go into industry. I want to make things. And he said, well, don't do that. You'll get your hands dirty. And I have to thank him for making up my mind that that's what I was going to do. And I've been making things ever since. But we don't get the message across that these jobs, and they're going to be lots of jobs in green engineering, are going to be really good, really interesting jobs.